Hi, I'm Ryan. Standing with one of the coolest options on the 2024 Scouts is the new KAMMOK Crosswing awning. So instead of being above the dinette window, when you order the KAMMOK Crosswing window, it's below the dinette window. So now, when this camper is on your truck, it's gonna be about 30 inches higher, but this is still gonna be right at a level where you can reach it and pull it out. So I'm gonna show you quickly how easy this awning is to set up, which you'll absolutely love. So all you need to do is unlock it, which is right here. Oh, push it in, unlock it, sorry. And then I'll do the little buckles here and pull it out. All right, so locks in place. So this is already set up. That was, I don't know what that was, 10 seconds, perfect. And on the side of it here, that same mechanism for locking it is also a ratchet to tighten your fabric up. So if it's loose, you can ratchet a bit tighter just to tighten it up, kind of level it out. So now the fabric's all level. And there's no legs on this awning. All right, to bring this awning in is super easy. Again, you're just gonna pop it in here to unlock it. That took the tension off that we just ratcheted up there with the little locking mechanism. So all you need to do is come back to the front here, give it a little pull or a push. Go and do that. Bring it in, re-snap it down, and on you go. It's super easy to bring in and out, and we actually tested this one driving around at about 20 kilometers or miles an hour as well. So this can withstand some light wind. In any windy conditions, you should always bring your awning in, but this thing can withstand some wind. So this is a great new feature on the 2024s.